Welcome back. Goa Government Employees Association members gear out Medical Superintendent of Auspicio on Wednesday. They have demanded that the ladies security supervisor should be transferred from the hospital for allegedly assaulting a staff member of the hospital. They have served an ultimatum of 8 days or have threatened of severe agitation.
In 8 days time frame, that supervisor who is over here from the Goa Recruitment and Employment Society has to be shifted immediately. Rohini, my name Rohini Cardos. Or else we will be forced to go on agitation. Because here is the root cause, it has happened. Hanga 6 and 8 jana appoint duty karta, whereas their presence is shown as 12. And the presence of absence is noted by our employee, and that is the root cause. And for that we have demanded that the person who is supervising here should be immediately transferred from this place, shifted from this place.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
News from sports. Goan I-league clubs are concerned over the security at the Tilak Maidan when the Fatorda Stadium goes under the hammer for renovation. Dempo Sports Club manager Custodio Almeida says the spectators sit close to the action at the Tilak Maidan. Fans and spectators are known to use foul language which could spark an untoward incident, and as such, the clubs have all the right reasons to be worried. The 4 Goan I-league clubs had an open forum called Meet the Press to discuss various issues organized by the Sports Journalists Association of Goa.
The Sports Journalists Association of Goa, in its 30th year of existence, organized a unique interaction session with journalists from all print and electronic publications with the I-league clubs.
About the Vasco Tilak ground, it is a concern of security because the ground is very close. Maybe outside team comes, they will have a problem. Maybe supporters of our home team, when the home team lose, they will have a problem. So it is concern of the security, not about the playing and this thing. Because the ground is very close, stand is very close to the ground. If anybody like strong supporters, if your team lose, you may throw bottles or anything. So the organizers should see that they put a good security for that match in Tilak.
We have already started the process of selecting the vendors for merchandise, and this year at least Salgaonkars you will definitely find a kiosk outside the stadium. But also coming to branding perspective, you know, I've seen the kiosks that are put up on the Fatorda Stadium, and I've seen the quality of the material also. One thing which we all clubs should agree to this is, if we don't give quality in the merchandise to the person or to the customer who's buying it, he will not come back. Nor he is going to, you know, spread a word about your merchandise. So probably that is what taking us time, all of us. Maybe we want to give something better in terms of quality, in terms of, you know, connect with the brand to the customers, maybe. But for Salgaonkars, yes, definitely this year we will have.
Yeah, it's not that I have control, but we are, myself as a coach and Subhash Bhomik is a technical director, we work together, we discuss and work together. We, before the practice session or one day before the practice session, we decide how to go about the training session, and we both work together. Of course, I being the head coach of the team, there is a pressure, and when you are given the assignment, you have to perform. See, it is all part of the job, where even if you do well, you may be not there for the next year. Even if you don't do well, you may be there. So it depends upon the management.
In not only the I-league, but sometimes football is like this. Now sometimes we play the draw, we play loss, we play and win, and we will try our best to win the prestigious I-league. We will try our best in the coming future. In the coming match, not only the Goa Professional League and the I-league, I hope and I have a confidence that my players will do a better performance than before.
With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.